LG front-load washing machine was designed with the safety locking feature to protect you and your home from any injury or damage. If the machine is in motion, the door will lock automatically to prevent access to its moving parts. If you stop or pause the cycle, the door may remain locked until it is safe to open. This video will help you recover from a locked washer if these scenarios were to occur. If the water level is too high. If the water temperature is too hot. If there is a brief power outage. Your LG washing machine is equipped with a sensor that detects washer operation as well as water level and temperature. When the washer is running a cycle, the door will automatically lock to prevent injuries. However, if you need to stop the washer for some reason during a cycle, the control will keep the door locked if the water level is too high or if the water is too hot. If you are experiencing a locked door and the water level is high inside the drum, run a drain-only cycle to drain the water from the drum. To do so, power on the machine. Press the spin speed button until no spin is selected, and then start the cycle. This will activate the drain-only function on your LG front-load washer. Once the water has drained, pause or stop the cycle and the door will unlock. If you are not able to run the drain-only cycle, another way is to manually drain the tub by unplugging the drain hose located behind the access panel on the lower front of your washing machine. Be sure to grab some shallow pans big enough to collect the water. It will be an excessive amount of water, so proceed with extreme caution. Once completely drained, plug the hose and reinsert it back into place. This will also allow the door to unlock. If the water in the tub is too hot for the washer to unlock the door, simply wait for the washer to cool down and the door will unlock. If the washer has cooled and there is no water inside it and it is still unable to open, unplug the power cord and wait 3 to 5 minutes. The door should open normally. If a brief power outage were to occur, the door will remain locked until the next time it is powered on. If the power outage lasts longer than 3 to 5 minutes, the door will unlock automatically. Thank you for watching our customer support videos, and we hope you enjoy your LG experience.